A two-ply system includes a base sheet or ply and cap sheet. When installing edge metal in this type of system, a field-cut 9-inch flashing strip of either Flintlastic SA Ply Base or Flintlastic SA Mid Ply is required to be installed between the base layer and the metal. Why do we require this? Edge metal is mechanically fastened around the perimeter, making it vulnerable to high movement and water incursion. With no flashing strip to seal around the edge metal fasteners, you have increased risk for water incursion over time through those penetration points. Flintlastic SA self-adhere membranes are self-sealing, in compliance with ASTM D 1970. The inclusion of the flashing strip provides waterproofing protection and redundancy on any two-ply application. An alternate approved approach is to install your edge metal above the cap sheet, with a subsequent 10-inch wide field-cut Flintlastic SA cap sheet set in a bed of flint bond. For comprehensive instructions in multiple languages, check out our print and video construction details on CertainTeed.com.